Kato ka? Kato ka? Kato ka? Oh, gato. Oh, gato, gato, gato. Gato mo na.
Napagod ka na.
Gato. Gato! Gato!
We'd like to recognize the black belts on the mat, Sensei David Lay, Sir Well, Sir Barry, Sir Randy, Sir Romel, Sir Janelle, Dr. John, Sir Stephen, Sir JP, Sir Ato,
Okay, sali ka dyan.
Sir OJ, Ma'am Angela, Sir Yu, Sir OJ, Sir Nico. Special mention to Sir Romel, according to We'd like to thank our major sponsors, Smart Philippines, We're Helping Sports. Other sponsors, Santa Lucia East Grand Mall, Unilever, Sensei Walter Gozu, is a former national athlete and will be refereeing this afternoon's tournament. Beside him is Sensei Maricar Rimando, a former national athlete of the Philippines as well. They are both gold medal athletes of this country, proud Filipinos.
Dito.
The colored belts, or the Q students, are divided among several black belts who will be teaching them their lessons in basic. In karate, we are Sensei David Lay, our chief instructor for today and of the Philippines, is a 6th Dan Karate black belt. He just came back from Philadelphia to train under Master Tadayuki Okazaki. I'd like to acknowledge our sponsors, Smart Philippines, We're Helping Sports. Thank you also to Santa Lucia East Grand Mall, Unilever, Foodworks, Karate Kid Restaurant, and Film Life. This event is organized by ISKF, or the International Shotokan Karate Federation. The International Shotokan Karate Federation is composed of several organizations of karate dojos here in the Philippines. Every year, Master Teruyuki Okazaki or another senior belt of ISKF who are based in Philadelphia, USA, come here to the Philippines to train firsthand our students of Karate Do. Later this morning and this afternoon, we will have the Mohan competition or the applications competition. We will also have a continuation of our kumite or a sparring tournament. Please stay tuned to watch the national team who will be competing against each other this afternoon. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Smart Philippines, Helping Sports. Thank you also to Santa Lucia, Unilever, Foodworks, Film Life, and Karate Kid Restaurant.